Today we will assemble Ryobi 40V lawn mower. Just bought from Home Depot and it's roughly $440 including taxes. So we'll see how it goes. They have a mix of ratings. Some like, some doesn't like. There is a 6 ampere battery. It's almost run 50 minutes. Yeah, so we'll open the box and we'll show you. Okay, these are chargers. A battery. Oh, it's heavy. Well, I like mostly like a flat battery. This is just like a too high. It should be like a flat, but I think they can adjust all the tools. That's why they're just making it higher and higher and higher. Okay, the battery is a zero charge. Usually they have like a partially charged, but it's all like a dead. So I'm just put them on the charging. So let's see if it's good or not. These are for side door. It's a bag. And these go like that. It's not difficult, it's just tricky. So just you need to snap in. Anything from here. All done. Some screws. Most of the stuff is already assembled, so you just need to snap in that is it. So we have to put some screw here and here, and then we have to put the battery in and good to go. Have a key. So without this you can't turn it on. This is the key. And in place. And there is this is for the battery when it's operate, and this is just for the storage. So it's best way when it's not used, so your battery should be putting in here. And in winter, especially in Canadian winter, I will suggest just take the battery inside in the room temperature. Okay, few points. These are the safety features. So once you everything assembled, so make sure this is in the right position like that, because if this position is like that, it cannot turn on. So better to be this position. Same thing another this way. And these screws are just tricky, so it might need like a little force to put them in. And rest of it is all good. I heard lots of complaint about these. I think this will not affect if we can take them out, but I will just leave it on until I will try that for starting. This is blade side. It's pretty good. And this handle is adjust like a height, what height you need to cut your grass.